How do I indicate an unknown?
Variable.
What do you want to pick?
X.
If it's another letter, does it matter? Is X normally what you start with? Sure. In this case, we might use a G for grapes. We might use an A for Angela. We might pick our own first initial. But I'm going to go with what you said and say X. So, what is the X of that? Okay. What can I say for Tuesday? How many grapes did she eat now on Tuesday?
X plus 6.
You're going to be Wednesday, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's all right. So, I'm going to abbreviate a little here.
She added 6 more to X, and she
What's
added,
my expression?
6 plus X, or times, plus 12.
Think about it. Think about it by looking here. Here's Wednesday. What are we saying here instead of all these little circles? And what are we calling it?
Unknown variable.
That's the unknown variable, and what are we calling it? Which letter are we using?
X.
Okay, so if this is X, what do we have to add?
6 more.
Just 6?
No.
You want to get closer? Can you see?
No.
I had a feeling. Those glasses. That's why I've worn them since I was 4. I can't see. How many circles are there?
Right here. Oh. 12.
Okay.
So,
Does that make sense in the story? Why there would be 12 here?
yes.
How?
Because she added 6, and then you double it, up 6.
So I'm adding 6 more to the next day. So I'm always working off the previous day. So here's my 6, and then the 6 more. So, tell me again, what's my expression for Wednesday?
X plus 12.
Good. I want to point out something that I just did with him. I encouraged him to persevere, and that is a mathematical practice in the new Common Core state standards, which you'll hear more about, and you'll be tested on. Not yet, but coming. That idea of sticking with something to understand what is really happening, that's not something middle school students usually want to do without a little bit of argument. But it's important that you stick with it. And keep trying to really understand and ask questions so that you do understand it. And that's called perseverance. So, good job on that.